In this pro tip, I'm going to show you how to use a feature that I don't think gets used as much as it should in the Microsoft Whiteboard, the Lasso. So here I have a Microsoft Whiteboard. I'm doing a sailboat retrospective here, and I've got a number of items on this whiteboard. We're going to talk about templates and images in some upcoming lessons, but I have this whiteboard, and what I've done here is I've created this 2x3 grid of notes. And I want to create a 2x3 grid of notes and put it next to the shark down here. Well, if I grab the lasso and I select those 6 notes, so you just go in and select those 6, I can hit the ellipse and I can duplicate them, and now I've created a quick way of grabbing an element of the screen and moving it to where I want it. Now I could also go in and choose all of those elements again. So I'm choosing all of the elements there, and I could change the color of those notes. So that's a way of doing them all at once. I could move over a little bit here. So I'll just grab my select button and move over. And maybe I'll grab the lasso again, and I will now do the same thing. But this time I'm going to include the shark. And now I could go in and duplicate this. And I could move this over here, and I could have multiple conversations about, in this case here, some of the obstacles, and we could have different obstacles that are being faced by different team members. I could also go in and, let's say I was writing on the board, or let's say I had a larger area that I wanted to delete. Again, I could choose to select everything that I want to delete, and I could hit the delete button or the trash can and clean up the whiteboard. So the lasso is a very useful tool for selecting more than just one item or one type of item, making copies, deleting them, whatever I might want to do. The lasso is your friend for a select of multiple objects at once.